Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'm taking a look at the famous ceramic keycap set from Cerakey, specifically the V2 set. I'm super excited to try them because I've heard a lot about the unique sound and feel. As you might know, keyboard stuff in general can be pretty pricey. That's why I would like to thank Keysfan for sponsoring this video and funding my crippling keyboard addiction. Before I got into keyboards, I was a huge computer building enthusiast, and if you know anything about building computers, you also know about the stupid costs of operating systems and software, specifically Microsoft's Windows. After buying a ton of computer parts, the last thing I want to do is shell out a huge chunk of change for my operating system. And you know I'm not trying to learn Linux. However, Keysfan is here to save the day. Selling OEM software keys with online activation, they offer super low prices with 24/7 customer service. It's a perfect way to get your hands on a legit and safe software key of your choice. Their software isn't limited just to operating systems, but it also includes things like Microsoft Office, bundles with Office and Windows, video games, and a ton of other tools. If you're interested in checking them out, there are links in the description of this video. Additionally, there are discount codes you can use for 50% and 62% off different software. Again, thank you Keysfan, and let's get back to the video. Included with the keycaps are a keycap switch puller and a couple of linear switches. These have a pretty heavy spring because they're meant for you to use on the spacebar, since the ceramic spacebar is pretty heavy. Some switches aren't heavy enough to push it back up. I was sent the A and B sets of Cerakey's Crazed keycap set. The keycaps themselves are cherry profile, but they're a bit heavier than normal PBT and ABS keycaps. The finish is glossy, making it almost feel cool to the touch. My set has legends, and they're very crisp and consistent in thickness and size. The cracked design of the Crazed set looks super cool. The board I'm testing them on is my trusty AL66 from Yunzi. Considering its deeper sound, I think the ceramic keycaps will work well. Let's take a listen. The sound with the original PBT keycaps was already very good, with a nice deep pop, but with the ceramic keycaps, that sound became even better. In my opinion, I heard it become more crisp and deep, playing into that foamier deep sound. Initially moving from the PBT to the ceramic keycaps, it felt a little bit weird to type on since the surface was slipperier than before, but it took almost no time to adjust. Overall, these keycaps are awesome, especially for that deeper sound profile. For $126 to $135 for a full set, the V2 ceramic keycaps are a bit pricey, but considering the materials and how much they cost in comparison to most GMK sets, I think it's more than acceptable. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and thank you Cerakey for sending out the keycap set. See you guys later. Bye!